You don't want to go that up.
And I do.
Get down.
Wait, man! A girl has to take her time, man. Not so much. I'm stuck!
Hurry up, we have to go. Careful.
Come on, Bella. But my leg is stuck. Then why would you just pull it out? Oh no! We'll be stuck in here forever. Will this be the last end of the road? Oh.
Come on, professional, we have to go.
Dad!
Yeah?
Ouch!
Whoa.
Just get me!
Oh.
Oh.
Okay, go up.
Let your hand.
Okay. Halfway, you were a professional. That's embarrassing.
I am professional. Bella,
Get down, get down.
I can't.
You're stuck.
Not really. Get off me, so I need to jump down.
All right.
Jump.
Okay now?
See, I'm professional. It's only because my leg got stuck. But no worries. No worries. I'm still a professional. I'm still out. I still
Get
am.
down. Hurry up, bro.
You're gonna be stuck like me, I know. Help! Help!
Hurry up. Quick.
Let me help you. Diesel, you're scared.
Oh, what a
He's
shot.
still a